Hi, how are you doing? Today we're going to draw two birds flying in the sky. Let's start the drawing from top part. So this bird is bigger one and it's flying high in the sky. We are just drawing an outline of the body and putting the big feathers in the back. Okay, you can see the longer wings with which the birds usually glide and fly. Another wings you can see here, it has a nice shape. All right, another bird you can see here. I'm just drawing under that one. The formation of the wings of this bird at the lower point, it's little different. So it varies from bird to bird, as you can see, from a different angle, and the birds fly in a different style. You can see the legs here, taller legs. All right, now I'm going to put the color, the purple color for this bird on top. So let's draw the color along the border. Feathers are usually darker, has lots of colors. All right, you can see the presentations and the depths of color for each of the bird. In another point, we're putting the same color and make the same racks. All right, the purple color you can see for both of the wings. This is quite dark and steady. You can see from the depth. Okay, all right. So actually the drawing, it looks nice. I hope you like the video. You can do the practice and the drawing is going to be better and better. Another suggestion I can have, that if you go to my playlist of my channel, you can have different choices. I have lots of drawings for you guys. You can select your own choices and start learning. Please subscribe the channel as you like it. Thank you so much, and put the bell icon on. Have a good day.